Hello friends, welcome to my channel Chalo Padhe. Today in this video I am going to discuss with you class 10th ID 402. As in my earlier video I have discussed with you that your class 10th IT subject is divided into two parts, employability skill as well as vocational skill. Earlier, whatever videos I have shared that are the part of the vocational skill chapters, today I am going to discuss the part A, employability skill, unit 2, self-management 2. That chapter I am going to continue, which I have already started in my last video. One more thing I want to share with you, those who have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it, because when my subscriber will touch the 100, I will conduct a free online doubt session of the lucky subscribers. Maybe that will be you. So what are you thinking? Those who have not subscribed, subscribe it now only. Earlier I am going to continue this video. Earlier I have discussed with the different agents of the stress management as well as importance of stress management. And now I am continuing with stress management techniques. Now what are the stress management techniques? It is a mental stage when one size doesn't fit all. You know, same shoe size, same cloth size doesn't fit to all. Same way stress is a mental state which doesn't fit to all. Everyone is having a different stress. One stressor, one person may not stress other at all. Same एक बात बेटा हो सकती है आपको स्ट्रेस कर रही हो, बट सेम बात किसी और को वो स्ट्रेस क्या मतलब उसको फर्क भी ना पड़ रहा, ऐसा भी हो जाता है. सो इट इज हाईली इंडिविजुअल. ये हमेशा बेटा इंडिविजुअलिटी पे डिपेंड करता है, मीन्स पर्सन टू पर्सन डिपेंड करते हैं, और सोल्यूशन भी इसका कस्टमाइज है. एक पर्सन के लिए ये अप्लाई हो रहा है सोल्यूशन, बट दूसरे पे अप्लाई नहीं हो रहा. दूसरे पे मे बी टेक्निक अप्लाई हो, पहले पे मे बी ये टेक्निक अप्लाई हो. एक पर्सन को उस पर्सन किसी बात से इतना ज्यादा स्ट्रेस हो रहा है और दूसरे पर्सन को कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा. सो इट ऑल डिपेंड अपॉन द पर्सन टू पर्सन. Physical signs which suggest stress are breathlessness, dry mouth, butterflies in stomach, indigestion, nausea, acidity, fatigue, sweat palm, cold hand and feet, irritation, hyperactivity, etc. At the mental level, following symptoms may reflect stress. These are the physical signs that you are feeling these things. That means you are having a stress. And some mental level, what are the symptoms? You are having irritation, impatience, loneliness, upset mood, anxiety, depression, frustration, boredom, guilt, insecurity, and forgetfulness. These are all your mental stress. So stress will be of two parts, physical as well as mental. Physical stress we have discussed, fatigue, sometimes cold and sometimes हम कह रहे हैं कि stomach में कुछ हो रहा है, इंडाइजेशन हो रही है, मुझे वॉमिट की फील हो रहा है. दैट ऑल आर द फिजिकल साइन. और मेंटल स्ट्रेस क्या है? हम इरिटेट हो रहे हैं, छोटी छोटी बातों पे चिढ़ रहे हैं, हम कहते हैं हमें किसी से बात नहीं करनी, हमें अकेला रहना है, और हमें छोटी छोटी बातों पे गुस्सा आ रहा है, हम फ्रस्ट्रेट हो रहे हैं. दैट ऑल आर योर मेंटल स्ट्रेस. सो इन दैट वी आर हैविंग सेल्फ अवेयरनेस ऑफ द सिम्टम्स. हमें अपनी बेटा सिम्टम्स के थ्रू सेल्फ अवेयरनेस होनी चाहिए. विच टाइप ऑफ दैट इज यू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉज, अंडरस्टैंडिंग सेल्फ एंड टेक द रेमेडियल मेजर. कि फर्स्ट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर द रीजन, देन ओनली यू कैन डू द रेमेडियल. सो अवॉइडिंग द इशू नॉट द सॉल्यूशन. हमें जिस वजह से हम इरिटेट हो रहे हैं, जिस प्रॉब्लम से हम इरिटेट हो रहे हैं, जिस पर्सन से हम इरिटेट हो रहे हैं, जिस कारण से हम इरिटेट हो रहे हैं, हमें उसको अवॉइड करना है, ना कि सोल्यूशन को. हमें इशू को अवॉइड करना है, सोल्यूशन को नहीं. सो स्पीकिंग आउट विद योर वेल विशर्स. वो वेल विशर्स कौन हो सकते हैं? आपकी फैमिली हो सकती है, आपका ब्रदर हो सकता है, आपकी सिस्टर हो सकता है, आपका कोई गुड फ्रेंड हो सकता है, आपका कोई नेबर हो सकता है, आपका कोई टीचर हो सकता है. so that he or she can provide us social support. Apart from this positive thinking, managing one's time across any or combination of the following activity. These are the activities which you can do it for stress management, avoiding stress management. First is physical exercise. When you are having the stress in your brain, rest of the body also feels the impact. Physical exercise like walking, you can skipping, or you can do any for changing your mood, and you can also stabilize your self and improve your self-esteem. And you can also, by exercising, your mind will be diverted, you will start thinking something else, and then it will change your mood, that will reduce your stress. Second is yoga. Yoga, you know, in the Hindu psychology, that reduce stress, because you are having a series of posture, breathing exercise that also achieve the control of body and mind. Meditation. Now those we are focusing on the meditation, that we need to focus on mind, so that through that activities you can keep yourself calm and reduce yourself. How to do meditation? Close your eyes and think only positive, that I am a good one, I have not done anything wrong, whatever I am feeling, that is useless. Give everything positive to you. That is a meditation, and that will help you to focus on a particular object. Next is enjoying. Go for watching movie, attending some function, go out to play, sing, dance, do some stretching. That also help us to manage your stress. Going on vacation with your friends, you are having weekend, you are having holidays, make a plan with your friends or your family to go out, so that you can also change your mind. This vacations help in de-stressing also. It will not stress, it will de-stress you. Take a nature walk. शाम को बेटा हम कहते हैं वॉक पे निकल जाओ, सुबह उठ के वॉक पे जाओ. नेचुरल पार्क जो भी आपके घर के आसपास है वहां जाओ. दैट नेचर वॉक. अगर आपके घर में एक छोटा सा गार्डन है, उस पे वॉक करो. सो व्हाट इज दैट? दैट आल्सो हेल्प यू टू रिड्यूस योर stress. These are all about self-awareness. Now the next thing is self-reliance. That means ability to work independently. Everyone have to send to earth and blessed in one or the other way. So earth is a beautiful place where we can sing, dance, sports. So we can do so many things. Everyone is special according to God. We all are special. We can't say I am not special. We all are special. So what you need to do is about your work independently, ensure greater learning. Means learn something that is good. Individual feel more empowered and responsible. I am saying you need to feel more empowered. You feel that power that you can do that. It provides flexibility and choose a working hours or working mechanism. Failure and success are the tasks which are accounted by individual, everyone. Individual become asset to organization, group and nations at large. It ensures creativity and satisfaction among the individual. So these are the importance of the ability to work independently that comes under self-reliance. Earlier we have done self-awareness. Now how to enhance this ability of work independently? Self-awareness, self-motivation, self-regulation. Self-awareness. You having conscious knowledge of your own self-capability, feeling on characters called as self-awareness. It helps individuals to chart their way to work independently. They become aware of their strength and weakness. Self-motivation, you need to motivate yourself with your inner urge to achieve the external goals. Self-regulation means to guide independently individual so that you are responsible and you can regulate yourself. You teach self-control, directing to reach the self-goal. So self-regulation inculcate discipline that help into consistent effort to move toward the goal. This is all about this chapter of self-management 2 of class 10th ID 402. So these are some activities. Try to do it, doing a yoga session, meditation. Second, you can write an essay for holiday trip, or you can talk on what I wish to become or what I want to do it. Plan an activity for to plan a school fest. These all activities you can. Now I am going to show a very good thing that will be very helpful for you in this chapter, and that is a mind map of this chapter. Complete mind map of this chapter. Self-management. What is stress? Physical, mental and emotion. What are the causes of stress? Physical, mental, social, financial. What are the stress management techniques? Talk to well-wisher, physical exercise, yoga, meditation, entertainment, short vacations, nature walk. What are the signs of stress? Physical, mental. What are the stress management advantages? Good mood, increased immunity, physical strength, mental and emotional strength, productivity, prevent psychological disorder and focus and concentration. Working independently, its benefits and tips to increase the ability to work independently. I think if you will keep this mind map in your mind, you can attempt any question of this chapter. I think with this you are able to understand this chapter. Students, go through this chapter. Take care. Bye.